So Christmas is coming. Perhaps more this year than any other year, people are struggling financially and will continue to struggle financially. This means that many are worried about what they may spend during the Christmas period. Now, the good news is that research is suggesting that actually neither the receiver or the giver are any happier because you're spending a lot of money on presents. The cliche, as much as it might be a cliche, that it's the thought that counts actually holds true when looking at research, showing that you really thought carefully about the gift that you're giving someone means far more and is valued more often than actually just giving something that's expensive. So if you do anything this Christmas, really think about what you're giving another person rather than just spending a lot of money on it.